Humans. We are humans. Under the skin, we share similar organs. Variety in everything is a creator's specialty. We are unique and beautifully made. So, my dear, do not be afraid to use your inner power and to be you. Shine your light at any rendezvous. We are perfectly imperfect, so flaws you should work on but also expect. We are humans. Let's refrain from racial discrimination and useless forms of violence. Together, let's seek to live in harmony by wearing the necklace of humility. Let's seek to learn, share, and heal. Let's spread love, peace, and joy, no matter how they may make us feel. Let's share our experiences to give others chances. Life is short. Let's spread hope and show support to make this earth a safer place. Let's share our resources and respect each other's space.